Hello, this video is going to talk about connecting Zoom API to Retool. There's some videos like this on YouTube already, but maybe this one's more clear. I just wanted to make one that's super step by step. So first, you're just going to go to Zoom Marketplace. You can just type in this URL or click the URL in the description, and then you're going to sign in with your Zoom account and click Develop, Build App, and we're just going to do a general app. Then you can rename your app to something like Zoom to Retool. And we want to switch this to admin managed. Then you will see your client ID and secret, and then you want to put this OAuth redirect URL that I will put in the description box for you to copy and paste. And then you can add scopes or not add scopes, but if you want to actually use this Zoom API, you'll likely need to choose what you want to give Retool access to. So we can just do account settings for now. You don't need to put a scope. And then you should be able to go into Retool now. Once you're signed into Retool or you've created an account, go to resources at the top and then click create new resource, and we want to do REST API. Just call this something like Zoom API. The base URL is also something you will need to copy. Then scroll down to authentication, choose OAuth 2.0. We need to put this access token in. Just put it in headers. Now you need to put in the authorization URL as well as the access token URL. And to get your client ID and secret, just go back to your project or your app in Zoom and copy these. So now in scopes, if you put scopes, you can copy this from scopes into here, then click connect with OAuth. Go ahead and click authenticate, and you should see this page pop up, and this here will vary based on what scopes you've selected. Right now I only have it selected so that Retool can view an account's settings. So if you selected more scopes, there will be more check marks here. So I'm just going to click allow. And so now your Zoom API should be authenticated, and that's it. Thank you.